Gang, 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 gang. It's your boy, Mr. It's the 6 with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. Y'all know how we come in all 2021. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Let's make this channel go all the way up. All 2021, man. Y'all keep liking the videos, man. Commenting down below. Share the videos, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna make the channel go up. Keep producing this content for y'all, so we keep grinding, man. Keep grinding out here. Keep making these videos. Keep making this dope content just to bring to y'all all 2021, like I keep saying, man. Let's go ahead and get into this video. What's up?
Goddamn, Z, you cut up on it.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Nowadays you don't know who gonna who fade. It's time to trust me, niggas be snakes. Today my birthday, I'm getting that cake. If it touch my hands, I'ma make it shake. Still bustin' down, selling apes and quakes. Jigging them things, watching out for the J's. These wanna be
Wheel chucks. Throw them things up under there real quick. Y'all see what's going on, man. She clean, huh? Wicker bill on there. Y'all see that video, man. If y'all haven't, go check it out. Got my jack. Got my T. And we got a pack in, baby. Yes, sir. We about to bust down this pack so y'all can see what's inside, man. About to get to work. Let's get it. Yes, got them caliper stickers on there, man. About to go ahead and get these installed. It's been a long time coming, man. We need to add something to that black, man. Make it pop. Let's get it. Alright, gang. We got our up in there. Let's go ahead and take this wheel off and get it popping. Now this front one, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that off, man. I tried it by hand, but boy, I tell you. Alright, gang, I got it cut out. What y'all think about the size? I think it's too big. I think I should go down a size. I like it. But maybe I should go down a size. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go down one size on the back. Alright, gang, my neighbor cutting the grass, so sorry about the audio, but let's get to it. I think you're supposed to peel the back, place it on there, and then peel the vinyl off the front. Should be pretty simple, man. Got my credit card. Get my credit card out. Let's go, gang. I got one chance to do this. Well, I hope that thing stay on there, cause it's looking real good, man. Looking real good. I gotta put some red on them wheels to change them up real quick. Dodge, I don't know why y'all made the Dodge Caravan with the same style wheels as the Scat. Just don't make no sense. Alright, gang, I'm trying to wait for him to get the lawnmower up out of there, but I'm scared. Ooh, it's on there. Alright, gang. She on there. Yes, sir. Tell me what y'all think, man. Drop that comment down below. Tell me how that red hitting on that black. Alright, gang, we got one down. Go ahead and get started on the next. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She coming together real good, gang. Real good. Alright, gang, we done ran into technical difficulty, man. When they put on these used tires on the front, they tighten them too tight, man. I can't even get them off. I can't even do it. I can't even do it. I don't got the right tools, man. This shit ain't budging with my arms, man. And this just ain't gonna work. It ain't strong enough. But the back is done. Looking good. Looking good, man. So we're gonna have to go out to Andino's, holler at them, man. See if they can take these front wheels out for me. Yes, sir. Tire spot, man, over here by the crib. Oh, what is good? How you doing? Yeah, busy, man. It's about 30 minutes. Jeez, ain't nobody trying to help me out this morning, man. It's irking my nerves, bro. Irking my nerves. Pissing me off, bro. I bet if I would have paid to get that rotation, they would have did that shit, though. Shit, we pull right back up the Andino's, man. They got a little spot. Let's see what's going on. See what's cracking. Get back with y'all in a second. Alright, gang. They got them loosened up for me. Let's see. That ain't hot. I think we'll probably give it a second. About 30 minutes, man. Cool off a little bit. We're gonna get to it, man. Let's got no time to be wasting out here, man. Go ahead and get this sticker put on. Yes, sir. In the game, baby. Yeah, I'll see what's going on. Big Brembos on there. Tell me what y'all think, man. Drop that comment down below. Let's go. Alright, gang. As y'all can see, man, we done, man. All 4 of these joints is done. 1. Yes, sir. 2. Yes, sir. 3. Yes, sir. Last but not least, man, 4. Y'all see how we coming, man. That red hitting on that black. Y'all drop that comment down below and tell me what y'all think, man. Sorry about that weedy in the background. My neighbor going ham on the grass right now. But it's all good. About to throw this last wheel on here, man. Go ahead and complete this project. Yes, sir. Big 6'4", baby. She all done. Back on all 4 wheels, man. Y'all see that red behind there. Y'all see that red behind there, man. These chocks up out of there. Y'all know how we coming, man. Y'all came, y'all saw, and we conquered. We got the job done, man, as always. Y'all always know, man, I like to do shit myself. And she coming together real good. Y'all feel me, man? But until next time, man, y'all like, comment, share these videos, man. I'll holler at y'all.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Nowadays you don't know who real and who fake. It's telling me trust my niggas be snakes.